Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you like me and have dark corners of your home or maybe out in your warehouse where you really need some illumination, but there's no lights? I decided not to stay in the dark any longer and got myself a motion sensor LED light from DESUNLUX. We have it in a little closet in our warehouse that we don't use that often, but when I need it, I want to be able to see things. So the motion sensor works really well. I have the light set so that it's off, but then when it senses motion, it will turn on. There are other settings that you can choose though, so you're sure to find the one that is perfect for your situation. Another thing that's really nice about this light is there is light on two sides. So obviously on the bottom, but then also in the front. And this gives you so much more illumination than other under counter lights. This is super easy to install. The light itself is magnetic, so you could put it on any metal surface. Otherwise, it comes with metal brackets with adhesive on the back, so you can place that anywhere you want. This light has really just been the ultimate solution that we were looking for. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.